What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a shortcut for Yahoo Mail on your desktop. So first off, head over to your desktop and then just simply right click once. After right clicking, you will open this type of menu, and from here click on new, and after clicking on new, or you can just simply hover to new. After hovering here, you will see the option of shortcut. Click on this, and after that type in https://www.yahoo.com. Then after that click on next, but first off double click that you have entered the correct link of Yahoo and click on next. After that, type in the name for the shortcut. I am typing the name Yahoo Mail. So after typing in the name, click on finish, and as you can see, the Yahoo Mail shortcut has been added to my desktop. This is how you can create a Yahoo Mail shortcut on your desktop, and that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.